Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Today I'd like to tell you a story about a little boy whose name is Jake. Jake is my oldest grandson. Jake was born on St. Patrick's Day. This is Jake when he was 1 year old. We had the most fantastic St. Patrick's Day birthday party for him you ever saw. His party was absolutely fantastic with Irish dancers, Irish food, lots of people, and lots of fun. Check out this shirt that Grandpa had made just for the party. This is Jake now, just as handsome as ever, and we celebrated his 19th birthday yesterday at his parents' home. If you'd like to see some clips of it, stay tuned. Here's the birthday boy with his family, my daughter Dawn, my son-in-law Jason, and Jake's brother Aaron. As you can see here, my daughter goes all out decorating her house for St. Patrick's Day. Everywhere you look, there's green, green, and more green. Well, we just arrived at Dawn's house, and look what she has on the table. Isn't that cool? Yeah, cool. She made a pretty rainbow punch for Jake's St. Patrick's Day birthday. Dawn, what did you put in that?
Green Hawaiian punch.
Wait, let me get you over there for a minute so everybody can know how you made it. What did you put in there?
Green Hawaiian punch.
Yeah.
Pineapple juice.
Yeah.
Sprite and rainbow sherbet.
Well, it really looks pretty. Thank you. I'm going to enjoy some of that.
My St. Patty's Day punch.
Very nice. I love it.
Thank you.
Love it. Look at that. This is so delicious. This is the beer bread that I made. I'm going to slice it now. I think everybody's going to enjoy it. If you want to try it, you buy the beer bread mix from Trader Joe's. All you have to do is add a bottle of beer to it. If you want, it's optional. You put a little bit, like a quarter of a cup of shredded cheddar. Form it in your loaf pan. Pour some melted butter on the top, and you bake it for about an hour. It's so good. Here's the beer bread that I sliced. Oh, it's super moist. It has a very slight hint of the beer and a little sweetness. It's really delicious. Here's Jason. He cooked the corned beef, and you get a close-up. Slicing it here. Looks good. Putting it in the plate. We're going to be eating very soon in this pot here. I see he has his potatoes. Oh, yeah. And like I said, the kids don't eat corned beef except for Kyle. So they're getting chicken parm. No, chicken. What's those pizzas, Jason?
Chicken franchise.
Oh yes, chicken franchise, pizzas, and wings and ribs. And here we have little Pebbles. Hi, Pebbles. Oh yeah. Jason gave her a little taste of corned beef. Is that good, Pebbles? Not gonna look up now. Oh, she's taking her food and running away. Yeah. Cabbages coming out next to the corned beef, and next will be the potatoes. Look at these finger-licking good ribs we're all going to dive into. Here's the wings for the kids and the adults. There's a garlic parmesan, and there's a mild buffalo. Here we have some curly fries, and of course my beer bread over here. All right, the pizzas have arrived. There's a chicken franchise pizza that everyone loves. This is a plain one over here. And this is a pepperoni. And Lucas has been waiting for that chicken franchise one, right, Lucas?
Can I take a piece?
Sure, go ahead. Dig right in, Lucas. I know you're hungry. Looks good. All the kids are lining up for this. Yummy, yummy. There goes Kyle. He's getting his piece.
Grandpa, I'm taking your spot.
I think he's eating in the dining room with us. No?
There's the cameraman with his plate, and there's Scott, and they're all eating. And I'm gonna go get my food now. Oh, what is that, cameraman?
Ireland.
What does that mean?
Ireland.
Oh, cameraman has his Irish shirt on.
That's right.
Top of the morning to you, cameraman.
And the rest of the day to yourself.
Here's Jake, his girlfriend Renee, and my grandson Kyle sitting at the little kitchen table eating. Notice those dirty looks I got? They do not like to get videoed, especially when they're eating.
Bacon.
Everybody is eating their food. Everybody is eating their food. Before I show you what we're having for dessert, I thought you might like to see a few of our family photos from the day. Here I am with the birthday boy. And here's the baking diva and the cameraman with our firstborn grandson. And here are my 4 grandsons. From left is Lucas, many of you know him, and Aaron, Kyle, and the birthday boy, Jake. I don't know what I would do without these 4. Here comes trouble! And here's Jake with his Uncle Scott. That's my son Scott, that's right. And who is this adorable couple? Well, it's the birthday boy and his sweetie, Renee. And here are Jason's parents and Jake's other set of grandparents, Jerry and Phyllis. And here's Mom with her little boy, who's not so little anymore. And here are those handsome guys, brothers forever, Jake and his brother Aaron. What handsome looking dudes they are. And last but certainly not least is moi with my grandson Aaron. And now for the desserts. Trust me, you won't want to miss those. Oh, look at the pretty cake for Jake's birthday. No, the baking diva didn't make it. It's an ice cream cake. The kids love ice cream cakes. Happy birthday, Jake. Even though I didn't make the cake, I made tons of chocolate-covered strawberries. And if you notice, I even put a few soccer balls on some of them. Oh yes, the big moment has arrived. It's time to wish Jake a very, very happy birthday. Ready, set, go! Oops, not yet. Have to light those candles first. Ready, set, go!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. finish!
Candles
Woo!
are
Yay!
Sorry, my finger's on it. And then this is the top. Because it's too frozen.
Oh, that's probably why. Dawn's cutting the cake. So it's an ice cream cake and it's still a little bit frozen.
Should be good.
Good, Dawn. Work those
Yes,
muscles.
it's going
Work
really well.
those
The cake is-
muscles.
Jerry's
Can I
piece
help
is
you with that?
destroyed.
That's
I don't know.
once you go.